सिक्योरिटी के वगैरह जो मैं उनसे बात की। वही डोभाल साहब हमारे NSA हैं, मैटर्स रिलेटिंग टू सिक्योरिटी हैं जो मैं आपके साथ नहीं शेयर करूंगा, लेकिन मैं 4 साल से देख रहा हूं क्या हो रहा है पंजाब में और उनके साथ शेयर किया। डेली ड्रोन्स आ रही हैं, जो ड्रोन पकड़े जाते हैं ठीक है, जो नहीं पकड़े जाते वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या काम है उनका, कौन उठा रहा है उनको, ये सारी बातें नेशनल सिक्योरिटी के साथ। I will tell you later. I've already said so. Number 1, I am not going to remain in the Congress. Number 2, I am not joining the BJP. That is enough for at the moment. क्या चीज मैं ऐसे सुनता नहीं कुछ।
सिद्धू की मीटिंग हुई है कि लगातार ही डेडलॉक बनया हुआ सीगा, की लगता है कि सिद्धू ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ फिर ਅੱਗੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ किस तरह का माहौल ਹੋਊਗਾ।
मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ भी किया है, सिद्धू इज नॉट द राइट मैन फॉर पंजाब, एंड अगर वो लड़ेगा जहाँ से भी लड़ेगा मैं उसको नहीं जीतूंगी।
कांग्रेस से अलग हो जाएंगे, कब आप इस्तीफा जो है वो भेज रहे हैं सोनिया गांधी को?
अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम पे बताऊंगा आपको।
कुछ कांग्रेस के एमएलए आपके टच में हैं जो आपके साथ जाएंगे?
क्या?
फिर कुछ कांग्रेस के एमएलए और मंत्री आपके साथ में हैं जो आपके साथ जाएंगे? साथ ही फ्लोर टेस्ट,
क्या आप क्या समझते हैं कि मैं आपको बताऊंगा?
फ्लोर टेस्ट वाल वजह की लगता है, तो फ्लोर टेस्ट वाल जा सकता है पंजाब के
ਕਿਹੜੇ ਟੈਸਟ ਵੱਲ? ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਨੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ है कि अगर ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ हालात कोई बन जान कि मेजोरिटी कोई पार्टी खो बैठती है तो फिर स्पीकर फैसला करता है। नॉट माय जॉब, मेरा काम नहीं है करना कहना।
कैप्टन साहब 2 अक्टूबर को क्या कोई आप बड़ा धमाका करने जा रहे हैं? मीडिया रिपोर्ट है कि रीजनल एक बड़े लेवल पे आप कोई...
अरे भाई, मीडिया रिपोर्ट तो आज कह रही थी कि 12 बजे मैंने ज्वाइन करना है बीजेपी को। आज सुबह सारा भरा हुआ है। क्या दो तरीकों क्या?
चीफ मिनिस्टर चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी।
आई थिंक सो। देखिए बात सुनो, सिद्धू का काम है पार्टी चलाना, चरणजीत चन्नी का काम है गवर्नमेंट चलाना, और गवर्नमेंट चलाने को इंटरफेरेंस कभी नहीं होती। मैंने अपने टाइम में 2 बार गवर्नमेंट चलाई है, 3 बार मैं PCC प्रेसिडेंट रहा हूँ। एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, लेकिन फाइनल डिसीजन है चरणजीत चन्नी का जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है, नॉट सिद्धू।
DG और AG को हटाना क्या आप मानते हैं कि जिस तरह से शर्तें रखी जा रही है?
देखिए ये फैसले हैं चीफ मिनिस्टर के, मेरे नहीं।
पर की कोई प्रधान अफसर हटाउण ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅਸਤੀਫਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੈਸਲੇ?
ਕਿਹਦਾ ਅਸਤੀਫਾ?
ਅਫਸਰ ਹਟਾਉਣ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਅਸਤੀਫਾ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ?
ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਫਸਰ ਹਟਾਣਾ। ਅਫਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਲਗਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਚੀਫ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ, ਅਫਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਹਟਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਚੀਫ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ, ਅਫਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਲੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਚੀफ मिनिस्टर। व्हाट इज द PCC? मेरे 9.5 साल की चीफ मिनिस्ट्री में कई प्रधान रहे हैं, हमारी एक दूसरे के साथ बातचीत होती थी, बट कभी ये जो हाल जो सिद्धू ने बनाया एक पहले कभी नहीं
Captain Amrinder Singh landing in Chandigarh. 3 main points. 1, I'm leaving the Congress party. 2, will not be joining the BJP. Meeting Home Minister Amit Shah was not political. But 3rd, continues to attack Navjot Singh Sidhu and says he was appointed as the PCC chief. His job was to take care of the party, to take care of the government. That was Charanjit Singh Channi. You cannot interfere in government's functioning as a party president. Very strong points. Continues to stay defiant against Navjot Singh Sidhu. We'll try and play that bit again for you. Captain Amrinder Singh has landed, and of course he was asked questions about the fact that there is a possibility of a resolution that could have been worked out, a peace formula, and that Navjot Singh Sidhu will return. He said he does not have much to add on that, but continues to speak against Navjot Singh Sidhu, that he overstepped his boundary, that he was appointed as PCC chief. He could not interfere with the government's functioning. Remember, this is because there were 3 main demands. He wanted and was demanding the resignation of Rana Gurjeet Singh, who's a cabinet minister. with the Channi government. He was also against APS Deol and wanted now, which has happened, a special prosecutor that needs to be placed in the sacrilege case. He had issues with Iqbal Preet Singh Sahota as the Director General of Police. And all of this, and despite that decision being cleared, which was still to be cleared by the UPSC, Sidhu said remove him. Sidhu said remove Rana Gurjeet Singh from the government. So he had 3 strong demands. Whether even one has been accepted by Charanjit Singh Channi, that is not yet clear. But we know a special prosecutor will likely be made on the sacrilege case as well. Captain Amrinder Singh landing in Chandigarh from a packed Delhi visit, meeting Home Minister Amit Shah, meeting NSA Ajit Doval. But what does it lead him to now? He's clearly leaving the Congress, not yet joining the BJP. Captain Amrinder Singh there speaking to media persons, taking as many questions, and they're very clearly stating that he will not be with the Congress party anymore. I want to quickly go across to our colleague Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh. Manjeet, he wanted Iqbal Preet Singh Sahota to be removed as the DGP. He had very strict demands on the sacrilege case. He wanted Rana Gurjeet Singh to be removed. All of that. But apart from that, stay on with me because I want to stay with these live visuals. On one hand, in Chandigarh, Captain Amrinder Singh speaking to media person as he lands on another. Navjot Singh Sidhu now leaving from that meeting at Punjab Southern in Chandigarh. This is after almost a 3-hour-long meeting happened with incumbent Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. Manjeet, should we really say that the crisis has been resolved? There's no clarity. The press conference has not happened yet. This is what sources are telling us. What are you really picking up? Tell us about the exact details that you have from the ground.
Well, Pooja, the joint press conference is not happening now, but the Cabinet Minister Dr. Rajkumar Verka has said that he will be briefing the media shortly after meeting the Chief Minister. So the picture will be clear after Rajkumar Verka addresses the media. But as far as a truce formula is concerned, that has already been worked out. Navjot Singh Sidhu has been conveyed that his objection to the appointment of Punjab Director General of Police, IPS Sahota, it's a temporary arrangement. IPS Sahota has been given an additional charge because names have already of the concerned officers have been sent to the UPSC. And on the other, Navjot Singh Sidhu had also objected to the appointment of Advocate General of Punjab. APS Deol has been appointed, but Charanjit Channi has now suggested that a parallel authority will be appointed. There will be 10 members in it.
Manjeet, I want to quickly put this in perspective. 3 demands. Manjeet, what you are telling us is, and I want to go through one by one. So he wanted Iqbal Preet Singh Sahota to be removed as the DGP. You are telling us that for now it has been told to him that this is a temporary position. A final permanent position has not yet been cleared by the UPSC. So you are saying that part has been conveyed to him about Sahota.
Yes, Navjot Singh Sidhu had even tweeted before meeting the Chief Minister that IPS Sahota has been a controversial officer in the past. He was the first officer who was made the chief of an SIT to look into the Bahibal Kala firing cases. Besides the sacrilege cases, he had indicted 2 Sikh youths which were later found to be innocent. That is why Navjot Singh Sidhu was objecting to his appointment. But now the Chief Minister has told Sidhu, sources are telling us that the appointment is a temporary arrangement and he has left only a few months of his service. He will retire next year. Until then, a new DGP will be appointed. Names of the eligible officers have already been sent to the UPSC.
But what happens, Manjeet, to Rana Gurjeet Singh, a cabinet minister in Channi government? That's what also Sidhu was demanding as a removal. Is that at all going to be a possibility for that? Because that could be a big decision if that happens.
Well, Rana Gurjeet Singh's name was not only objected by Navjot Singh.
का मसला नहीं है तो उनकी प्रेस वार्ता करने का मतलब नहीं बनता। कोई मतभेद है आपस में तो आपस में सुलझा लिया गया है और ना तो नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ना पंजाब सीएम प्रेस वार्ता में रहेंगे। देखना होगा कि किसका चेहरा सामने आता है, ये बताने के लिए कि ऑल इज वेल इन द कांग्रेस पार्टी कम से कम कैमरों के सामने तो ये कहना ही पड़ेगा।
Sorry for that interruption. That was Mausami Singh bringing us the ground report with Sidhu leaving. Not a word either from Navjot Singh Sidhu or from the incumbent Chief Minister. So what should we expect? Should we expect a press conference at all in the next few minutes, or this is just what they have told us, perhaps to appear that everything has been resolved, but has it really concluded yet? All right, Manjeet, if you can hear me, because Captain Amrinder Singh has now confirmed on camera that he's leaving the Congress, but he's not joining the BJP. On the other hand, not yet a press conference from either Sidhu or Channi. So what are we looking at in the next few minutes?
Well, as far as the Channi and Navjot Singh Sidhu's meeting is concerned, Dr. Rajkumar Verka will brief the media shortly. He has gone inside and will be addressing the media after meeting the Chief Minister. And Captain Amrinder Singh just landed at Chandigarh and told the media once again that he is going to leave the Congress, and he's decided to continue his political career, but he has not opened his cards yet, saying when he was questioned whether he was joining Bharatiya Janata Party, he once again denied that he has no plans to join Bharatiya Janata Party. Yet when he was questioned how many Congress leaders were with him, that he also declined, saying, I will not tell you how many Congress leaders were with him, but sources telling us that at least a dozen Congress leaders are in touch with Captain Amrinder Singh, who may announce his political ambitions or the further course of politics in days to come. But as far as the farmers' issues are concerned, Captain Amrinder once again said that he discussed these issues with the Home Minister. Besides, he discussed some security issues with Ajit Doval, and the sources concerned even told us
Manjeet,
that...
I request you to please stay on, because I want our viewers who've just tuned in to 6 p.m. Prime to take a look at these two visuals on your screen. Captain Amrinder Singh arrives in Chandigarh, says, I'm leaving the Congress, not joining the BJP. Meeting Amit Shah was not exactly political, have known them for a very long time. On the other, Charanjit Singh Channi leaves after meeting Navjot Singh Sidhu. However, while we are being told that the matter may have been resolved, there could be a briefing, no reaction yet. Either Channi could have said a word when they came out, और सिद्धू, but not a word from either of them.
कल को आपको पता चल जाएगा, सारा कर रहे हैं, पीसी भी करेंगे। आप कह रहे थे कि एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वो सारे इकट्ठे बैठ के करेंगे। नहीं आया यार, अभी यार बचते हुए मीडिया तो बचते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं कि पंजाब के लोग नहीं भाई काम खराब कर क्या काम खराब यार, धक्के मारी जाने उथे गड्डी थल्ले पैर ना बचावा मैं निकल दो यार, पैर बचाना, पैर बचा चल
Now joined by Kamaljeet Sandhu, because Kamaljeet, you've been on the ground trying to speak to all these leaders. Has anyone said a word? Because if the matter would be resolved, and this is what I want to understand, why the silence on the ground?
Pooja, we've been tracking this meeting right from the word go. 3.5 hours of this particular meeting. 3 hours because 3 hours Channi was himself present. And later on, for another half an hour, Navjot Singh Sidhu along with few of the MLAs were sitting and doing a meeting inside Punjab Bhavan. They just left a few minutes ago. There was not a single person who spoke. We tried to ascertain and we tried to speak to them. They were not speaking to the media at all. This is not a good signal. And from any point of view, if somebody would have given an indication, there was a talk about a joint press conference, there were bouquets being sent inside, but this, I've been told, was for another function, which was a retirement function, which was going inside, and it does seem that things are not all sorted. Now, the fact that it did go on for 3 hours is an indication that there were discussions which were under lens for details. But clearly, the demands are very much known as far what Navjot Singh Sidhu wants. There are other camps, including the Home Minister, Jinder Singh Randhawa, who's taking another meeting. Will this get resolved is the big question. And second is, if this was resolved, there could have been a joint and a happy press conference as well as pictures being put together.
Correct.
We can still await as to what the tweet will be or what the next step will be. But for now, the indications doesn't.
But Kamaljeet, we also remember the picture of Rahul Gandhi with Kamal Nath and Jyotiraditya Scindia, and just hours after that and days after that, we knew Jyotiraditya Scindia joining the BJP. So what kind of posturing will the Congress want to attempt today? Sure shot with an unpredictable PCC chief like that of Navjot Singh Sidhu. What I also want to understand from you that there are several demands, but stay on with me. More reactions are coming in from the ground. Remember, these are people leaving from the Punjab Southern. Let's listen in to what is being said.
और पूरा कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट आएंगी और सिद्धू जी और चन्नी जी की गवाही में जहां पर पूरी कांग्रेस एकजुटता है और एकजुटता ही रहेगी।
जो मतभेद थे, जिन बातों पे मुद्दों पर वो नाराज थे, क्या उनको रिजॉल्व कर लिया गया?
बिल्कुल, वो सारे जो मुद्दे थे, सारा चीज सॉल्व होगी। एक प्रिंट तैयार हो रहा है, वो कल तक आपको बता दिया जाएगा। सब कुछ सॉल्व कर लिया और चन्नी जी ने और सिद्धू जी ने बैठकर दोनों ने पूरा एक दूसरे की जफियां डल चुकी हैं, सारा कुछ, क्योंकि वो कोड़ा अलग थे, दोनों साथ में थे, सब कुछ ठीक है और साथ ही चलेंगे। और चन्नी जी और सिद्धू जी जो हमारे लीडर हैं, इतने जो कांग्रेस को लेकर आगे वाली सरकार बनेगी, उसके लिए रणनीति आपको 1-2 दिन में बताई जाएगी भी क्या करना है।
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे प्रेस वार्ता नहीं हो रही है सर पे?
वो आपको बता दिया जाएगा, कल या परसों के लिए रखेंगे, वो आपको सारी चीज उसमें बताई जाएगी।
शुक्रिया। तो यहाँ पे आप देखिए भूपेंद्र वोरा साहब।
All right, so that was Mosmi Singh getting us a reaction. It appears positive that all of it is resolved, but there's no clarity coming in yet of if at all there's going to be a press conference. I want to go to our colleagues, Manjeet Sehgal on the ground, also Kamaljeet Sandhu. Manjeet, what I want to understand from you is there were 3 strict demands, at least as it appeared for now. Rana Gurjeet Singh, remove him as cabinet minister, remove APS Deol as the advocate general in the sacrilege case, remove Iqbal Preet Singh Sahota as the director general of police. All 3 are senior positions and logically would not be the domain of a PCC chief to ask for a change in that. If at all either of this demand gets promised to him, which one do you think will it be?